Could Russia have dirt on Republicans in Congress why they're acting so weird and so suicidal, and even politically detrimental to the US Constitution? Hi, I'm Bobby Montego. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. A pre-law student in a civics class once asked me if I think it's possible that in the same way that Russians hacked into the Democratic database and released the information to embarrass Hillary Clinton that Donald Trump won, if they could also have hacked into the Republican database, but instead of releasing it, they actually hold it as a big stick over certain key Republicans' head, so they can do their bidding and act as crazy or strange as they may have been acting to the detriment of the United States Constitution. While that might be a stretch of the imagination, so too is the idea of hacking into the Democratic database. That too was a stretch of the imagination 10 years ago. But that's an idea worth considering, because why would Russia hack into the Democratic database but not hack into the Republicans? What's the benefit? Why not? But while this is a question best answered by God, may God help us, because something is not right in the Republic of the United States. I'm Bobby Montego. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live.